Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving deep into how to fix a burned regulator board in your Surface Pro 8. This issue can cause a range of problems, from power failures to overheating. Let's get started with the necessary tools and steps. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a T5 Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a precision cleaning brush. If you don't have these tools at hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert help without any pressure. Once you have your tools ready, turn off your Surface Pro 8 and disconnect it from any power source. Using the T5 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws on the back cover. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them later. Next, gently pry open the back cover with a plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Inside, locate the regulator board. It's typically near the battery connection. Inspect it for any visible damage, such as burnt components or discoloration. If you're uncertain about the diagnosis, remember we provide a professional diagnosis service without obligation. Now, if you see burnt traces or components on the regulator board, it's time to replace it. Before proceeding, make sure you have a replacement board handy. If you're not comfortable sourcing this part, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. We can handle the logistics for you. To replace the regulator board, carefully disconnect the power cable and any attached connectors. Make sure to take a photo or make notes on how everything is connected for easier reassembly. Once disconnected, remove any screws holding the regulator board in place and gently lift it out. Now, let's clean the area thoroughly. Use a precision cleaning brush to remove any dust or debris around the socket. This step is crucial to ensure good contact with the new board. If you need assistance with cleaning or repairs, remember, we offer no calls, no travel solutions, making it easy for you to get professional help without hassle. Once the area is clean, take your new regulator board and place it in position. Secure it with screws, reconnect the cables just as they were, and double-check all connections. If you're unsure about the connections, don't hesitate to reach out for help. You can get a quote before repair from our service, ensuring transparency in pricing. After reassembling, place the back cover back on and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 8 and check if the issue is resolved. If you still encounter problems, consider contacting us for further assistance. Remember, our team is here to help with any tech issues you face. Thanks for watching, and happy repairing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.